All right, welcome back, students. Hopefully, you've now built the design screen for your Mario's Mushroom Chase app. We're going to do the block coding right now. Remember, the two things we want our app to be able to do is we want the user to be able to move Mario by pressing the up, down, left, and right buttons, the ones that we have built into the screen. And then when Mario touches the mushroom needs to move to another random location on the canvas. So let's take a look at how we might do that. Pretty straightforward to build our buttons. So we'll take each of our button. So when the up button is clicked, we're going to want to change Mario's location. So the way we can do that actually is when we go into the Mario sprite, we can find his canvas location with X and Y. So if he's going up, we know his X, or rather Y location is going to change. So we're going to change his Y location to whatever his previous location was. Oh, that's not the one we're going to use. Can we get this to math? Nope. Okay. Nope. Don't want to use that one. We want this one. So wherever his previous Y location was, Mario sprite. So we're going to get its Y location here, and we're going to add 10 to it. So every time you press up, Mario should go 10 pixels up on our canvas. Oh, again, not what we want. So we want a bunch of buttons that all will do that for us. We don't need the 0 anymore. We can do a little trick in App Inventors. We can right click, we can duplicate, and we can start switching some things around. So if we want them to go down, take the Mario sprite and we can actually just add -10. Be short. So again, duplicate. When the left button is clicked, we want the X value to change by 10. And when the right button is clicked, we want the X value. Don't forget to change this to X as well. Change this to X as well. Okay, and he's going to move 10. So what I did there, when the up button is clicked, the location for Mario is going to change he's going to add 10 pixels to whatever the Y value was. When I click down, he's going to move down 10 pixels. And I press left, he's going to be able to move left 10 pixels. And when he moves right, he's going to move right 10 pixels. So the second part of this is we want to make sure that we're coding our sprite rather than the mushroom sprite as well, which we did not rename. So perhaps we should do that right now. So this image sprite should actually be mushroom. And we're back in the blocks. So we have our mushroom sprite. And so when the mushroom sprite is touched, when it's collided with, we want it to move to a random spot on the screen. So we're going to set the mushroom's X value to, we want it to move somewhere random. So we're going to find a random integer, except that we need to make sure that it's somewhere fully on the screen. So it can be anywhere from, say, 0 to actually the width of the canvas. So we're going to go in here and we're going to grab the canvas width. No, actually, that's probably not the right one. We want the canvas width. This is the better one. And we don't need this 100 anymore. And we want to kind of do the same thing. Duplicate it again. We're going to get the Y value to the canvas height, which is right there. And now we've done all our coding here. So we have our direction buttons, and we have the mushroom sprite, which is going to move whenever it is collided with. Thank you guys for watching. Get after it.